Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Mathsaholic. So in today's video we are going to solve Pythagoras questions because this is one of the easiest topic in maths and high scoring topic. This can come in various questions including mensuration and trigonometry. So let's start. This is the first question given to us where we have to find the length of AC. Before starting, I want to give you some few points and few advices. So the advices I want to give you guys is that, see here, first of all, this Pythagoras only applies on right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means they are forming an L with the triangle. I mean, basically they're forming a L and a triangle. Okay, so whenever you see this kind of, where you have this thing which indicates it's 90 degree, also known as right angle, so you would know it's obviously a Pythagoras question and it's a right angle triangle. So one thing is that, and the second thing, whenever you see in the right angle triangle, you will be given this box or square, you can say, whatever side is opposite to it, like the opposite side, this opposite side is always the hypotenuse. This opposite side to it's always hypotenuse. Just remember this, always hypotenuse. Okay, so let's dive into the question. And for all the questions we're going to solve today, we're going to use the formula a square plus b square is equals to c square, or you can say c square is equals to a square plus b square. Okay, so first of all we got to find the length of AC, the length from here to here. Okay, so in order to find this, we are gonna do, so this is basically hypotenuse and hypotenuse is C. Hypotenuse is C. So in order to find C, so the formula is here again, which I wrote earlier up. C square is equals to A square plus B square. This is the formula. So let's write down the formula first. C square is equals to A square plus B square. Now the A and B, this is the base. If you just think and rotate the screen a bit, you would see that this can form a vertical right angle triangle, and this would be the base and adjacent. Okay, so the smaller part is usually the base, but not, it's very unique that it's not a base, the smaller part, but yeah, it's usually a base, and in this case this is a base. So this would be C square is equals to A square. What was your A? 4.8. 4.8 square plus B square. Your B square is 3.6. 3.6 square. Okay, then this will give you a sum of 36. So C square is equals to 36. Now you see we got the C. C is the hypotenuse, as I told you, the hypotenuse which is opposite to the right angle side is always the hypotenuse, and in order to find hypotenuse, which is C, we have to do C square equals to A square plus B square. And if we had to find the adjacent or the base, we would like rearrange the formula. I have a video on my channel of rearranging the formula. The link is in the description. Why don't you check that out too? So see here we got a C square. हमारे पास ना C का स्क्वायर है, हमें इसमें से स्क्वायर हटाना है in order to, मतलब इसको C को बेसिकली फाइंड करने के लिए C के साथ एक स्क्वायर है, हमें इसको हटाना है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव द स्क्वायर वी गोना डू अंडर रूट. ठीक है, हम अंडर रूट ले लेंगे C स्क्वायर का अंडर रूट. अगर हम इस साइड का अंडर रूट ले रहे हैं, सो राइट साइड का भी अंडर रूट होगा. ऑब्वियसली व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग अंडर रूट फॉर द लेफ्ट साइड, वी हैव टू टेक द अंडर रूट फॉर द राइट साइड टू. Okay, so this would be 36 under root. So under root 36 means square root of 36. What is the square root of 36? 6 square gives us 36. So C is equals to 6 centimeter. This is your final answer. And this is not a past paper question, but you can see this question is for 3 marks. It comes like this only. So next question is we have to find the length of AB. This time what can I see is that hypotenuse is given, which is CB. It is 17.5. Okay, so the smaller one is the base. If you rotate the screen a bit, you would see this forming a vertical right angle triangle. So since A and C A and C is the base. Okay, A and C is the base. So what can we do here is, first of all, let's write down the formula. A square plus B square is equals to C square. Here we can see that this is the A, this is the base B, and obviously which is right opposite to the sine of the right angle is C. Here then we can see that it's, yeah, so we have to rearrange the formula. We have to make A square the subject. To make A square the subject, this would be A square is equals to, so this positive B square will go there and turn into negative, so this is C square minus B square. This is the formula for A square. Okay, either you memorize it or rearrange it on the time, but the smarter way is to rearrange it. Then just follow the instructions. A square is equals to C square minus B square. A square is equals to C square. What's the C square? Which is 17.55 square. 17.55 square minus the B square. B is 6.75, like this, minus 6.75 square. A square is equals to, just write this full in your calculator and you will get a value of 262.44. Okay, then obviously you don't want this big answer, because just imagine this, these are given in centimeters and this isn't that big, long you can say. So this A square, we have to remove the square from it, so we will take under root 62.44, also under root, because if we are adding an under root on the left side, it will go on the right side automatically. So A is equals to, which is your adjacent, or you can write adjacent, this is the sign for adjacent, 16.2 centimeter. Okay, 16.2 centimeter. So these are the 3 mark question. Let's see some harder ones. Let's solve this question. Question number 10. ABCD is a trapezium. Calculate the length of AC. This is the point A, this is the point C. Okay, so whenever you see this kind of shape, you're gonna say we can split this shape like this, but we need to find this B to 8. We can label anything B to X, making this side X. We need to find B to X, so in order we can solve that one. Okay, so how do we do here is that we got this triangle. I'm gonna just, don't go in my pathetic drawing, just something like this. Okay, so this is the right angle here, and this is 13 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. And the second thing, you can see we are giving the hypotenuse, and one thing here, that is this, and you can see I have drawn B, C, and I give this side the name X for myself. Okay, so now we need to find this first. So this would be, we have to find A square again, because this is a small side, so A square, okay, is equals to C square minus B square. A square is equals to 13 square minus 5 square. A square is equals to 13 square minus 5 square gives us 144. Under root this side, then we have to under root this side too. Square cuts off, and then A is equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, after this becomes 12, then what can we do is that now we can see we have this side as 12 centimeter. Okay, so what would I do here is that first of all I will erase this all, and we will use gently a pencil to draw a line here. Simple. We will use very light one though. Let's try a bit lighter one. Okay, so like here we got a shape. Yeah, we're not gonna ignore this line, and then we are gonna make line. Let's make a line somewhere here. Yes, so now we have to find this line, which is AC. Okay guys, so we have to find this line. When now notice this, that if this is 12 centimeter, basically this line is 12 centimeter, so automatically this would be also 12 because these are parallel. Okay, these are parallel, so this is 12 centimeter too. Now we see that we have got this and this, and the shape a bit like this. Okay, never mind, my drawing is very bad. Okay, it's something like this. Yeah, so this is the point A. My bad, guys. This is the point A, point C, and point D. This is 12 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. So how do you see this is? This is the triangle which is forming. My bad, guys. This is the triangle I'm talking about right now. Then this will be, we have to find the opposite side of the right angle, this side. So this is the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is known as C. So C square is equals to A square plus B square gives us C square is equals to 8 square. Okay, 8 square, my bad. 8 square plus 12 square. Okay, guys. So this will give us C square is equals to 208. Now we will remove this square. In order to remove the square, we will put under root here. So C is equals to 14.4 centimeter. This is your answer, 14.4 centimeter. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and make sure to share this to your friends so they can also take benefit from this video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.